I'm Tim and I'm the General Manager of the Cotton On Foundation. We focus on advocating for our cause of quality education, right through from fundraising in all of our stores globally through to executing the projects on the ground, and that's everything from building schools to mobilising communities in Uganda, Thailand, South Africa and also in a little town called Yirrkala in Australia. I love the fact that we can be on the ground, meet people, understand what their issues are and what they face on a daily basis and do something about it. It's completely unique. You know, an NGO tied back to a retailer is something very special and something we hold true to the organisation. The great thing about working at Cotton On Group is that it's so different every day. You can be working in a meeting that's such a vibrant environment with different personalities that are just having fun but also want to get the job done. Next thing, you'll be on a plane across to Uganda or to one of our hubs globally. So many varied and different experiences. I think that makes it really special.